the description. You need to design implement 2 digital decade. Decade counter, up counter. Okay, and the counting sequence is this. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, blah, blah, blah. Okay, 99, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. All right? And to do this, you need to have a reset so that you can reset a counter. The counting speed is 1 second. Okay? So the clock that you need to generate is 1 second. Now to generate a 1 second clock is very tricky. The reason is you simulate this in the computer, it will take you days to finish. Don't even bother to simulate on the computer. You have to measure it on a pin. Understand? Then you should see 1 hertz. If you get like 1.001 hertz, that's okay. But you should get 1 hertz. By now, you should all understand how to make a clock at certain frequencies. And 1 hertz is the one you need to look at. Okay? And the counting sequence will be shown through 2 7-7 displays. So we have 2 7-7 displays on the board. So the counter will feed the project assignment number 2. And then assignment number 2 will convert the counting number or digits into 7-7 display. Okay? So this assignment is very tricky because it uses many files. So right now the goal here is to first, we need to understand how to use a project in quarters 2 with multiple files. In this case, it's a combination of VHD files and a block diagram. Okay? All right. Actually, we're going to start the detail. Now let's look at how to deal with multiple files. Now, so far, all your project, you have 1 file. Okay, 1. So now you start looking at multiple files. One file. So if you have a quarters 2 project, when you compile the project, the compiler is going to do the following. You look at what is the name of the project. Okay? And then you find a BDF or a VHDL file. You found either one of these. If you found the PDF, automatically it says this is my project. Okay? If you found the VHD file, this is my project. Okay, automatically. What if you found both? You say, sorry, there's something is wrong with your project. Can I have both? And then you will not compile. Okay? And usually they'll tell a message something that already existed in the design. That means you have something that's duplicate. So usually right now, if you look at project number 1 and 2, you design 1 file, which is a VHD, and automatically the 2 know that this is your project. But what if you don't have a VHD? What if you need to make connections between components, like you did in tutorial number 1 and 2? How to deal with this? Is if we have multiple files, you need to include the project. We'll have a rule. You always make the BDF as your top level design or your project. Okay? So this is a block diagram. You put all the components in there. Each VHD file that you create for that particular project, you need to generate a symbol from this. From tutorial number 2, we talk about the process of generating a symbol. A few clicks, you take a file, you can create a symbol from the file. Okay? So every time you create a symbol, you can use that symbol in your project. Okay? So now you open up your top level block diagram. Then in the block diagram, you get pins, you get symbols, then you get connections. do this kind of work, you're not going to say, okay, I'm going to make everything at once, everything works perfectly. Usually that's not the case. You probably will verify your clock works first, right? You need to create a project to test your clock is one first. You need to test your 770 decoder works. Okay, so if your project number 2 works, most likely you have already done. If your project number 3 works, you make some changes, you can make it work. And then what you need to do is you need to incorporate those files. Now when you incorporate those files, it's really tricky. You have to do it in Windows, copy and paste the files, not through quarters 2. Okay? Many students are lazy. They say, oh, I'm going to do it in quarters 2. Yes, then you're going to deal with the consequence. Something's not right, and then you do the whole thing. I'm not going to sit here and try to clean up the project for you. Okay? So in this case, we know what kind of components we need. For assignment number 4, we know we need to have a 1 Hertz clock, 7-segment decoder, and a counter. In this case, it's a decade counter. So that means you need to create a separate project to verify my 1 Hertz clock works. I don't care what you call it. Okay? You need to create a project to verify your 770 decoder. I don't care what you call it. The last one, same thing. And then you need to integrate them, combine them to make it designed for okay? So the copy and paste part is through the Windows. Understand? Okay. So far, any questions? Any questions? All right. So how do we do this? Let's start quarters 2.